to make a video about once a week, and it's safe to say I missed the mark. But today we have the cheapest keyboard you can make from Amazon, because most of you guys do not live near a Micro Center, myself included. But let's jump right into the video and see what we got. So let's do a quick unboxing. Let's open up the box itself. It's kind of cheaper packaging, and then you got, of course, you got your your instruction manual and where to download the drivers to give yourself good RGB lighting. Okay, we'll put the keyboard to the side and see what else goodies we got in this little box. Let's get this box out of the way. Okay, so what we got here, let's see what's in this little box. We got ourselves a USB cable. It's unfortunately not braided. And then we got a switch puller slash keycap puller. And then, of course, we got the keyboard, which comes in this cellophane wrapper type thing. And the bright side, it does have legs that have two different positions to adjust the height. And there it is. So it does have south-facing LEDs, which I do like. It's a lot lighter than the last one we built on the channel, and it does come with stabilizers, and it's kind of squishy. So all in all, it's not a bad keyboard for the price, which I really hope the key switches aren't getting green screened out. I haven't edited this yet. I should have picked a different color. But what I do like about it, the pros are, I do like the fact that it has south-facing LEDs. It makes it a little bit easier with different types of keycaps and different types of combos with switches and stuff. It makes it pretty much universal with everything, which is really nice. I do not like the fact of how light it is, and that it does got a lot of wobble, and it's a really cheap board. It wasn't that expensive, which kind of goes without saying. I do like the fact that you can do Windows or Mac. On the back of it, you can adjust it. I do like that it has two different settings for your height adjustments, which is pretty nice. I like it does have a removable cable. At this price point, sometimes you see just fixed cables, so you can upgrade the cable in the future. But instead of upgrading the cable, I'll just get a different whole entire board itself. One, it can be plastic, but it more sturdy of a plastic type thing. It is very squishy. I don't like the fact that the keycaps came in like a loose bag, which was a really pain in the butt because you had the hen pack and find everything. Where the last set, yes, they did have Korean letters on them. They were all set up in alphabetical order and exactly how it lines up with the keyboard, usually with the QWERTY setup, so which is really nice because you just go boop, 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 and write real quick. This thing took me twice as long to find all the caps. It was really annoying. But all in all, really cheap keyboard that does sound really nice and gets you into the door of building your own custom keyboard. That's what I'm trying to do for a lot of people that really want to get into building their own keyboard, but it's just an expensive hobby, which it can be. So I'm just going through the budget-friendly ones, and we'll see how it compares to the one we did from Micro Center. And if you have any questions, feel free to put a comment down below, like and subscribe and that type of thing. And we're going to continue making content. Hopefully I get more regular with it. Here's to not being lazy. See you guys in the next one. Peace.